Hello students, I'm Dr. Sneha Patel from MB Patel English Medium Secondary and Higher Secondary School, and today we'll be discussing about the auditory sensation of Chapter 1, Subject Psychology of Standard 12th. In the previous videos, we have already discussed about the definition of sensation and the visual sensation. Now the turn has come of auditory sensation. What is auditory sensation? The sensation that occurs through the ears. That is called auditory sensation. Normal ear has the capacity to listen to the sound waves that are ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. But if the sound waves are less than 20 Hz or more than 20,000 Hz, then us ears cannot recognize those sounds. To understand the auditory sensation in a better way, we shall discuss about it in three parts. The outer ear consists of the earlobe where we wear our earrings, and it has the auditory canal and the eardrum. So, from the external environment, the sound travels through the auditory canal and falls on the eardrum. That is all about the outer ear. Then the function starts of the middle ear. In the middle ear, there is a presence of three bones. The first one is anvil, second one is hammer, and third one is stirrup. So once our eardrum gets vibrated because of the sound that comes from the external environment, that vibration enables the three bones to move. And that three bones, when they move, it also causes vibration in the inner ear. And in the inner ear, there is a presence of cochlea. Cochlea is an organ in the inner ear which is full of liquid. So when the three bones of the middle ear, they start vibrating, it causes the vibration in the fluid that is present in the cochlea, and because of that, what happens? The sound travels through the auditory nerve, and in that there are little hair-like structure also. So the auditory nerve transfers the message to our brain, and then our brain recognizes what kind of a sound we are listening to, what kind of a sound we are hearing. And once that recognition takes place of that sound, then we can say that auditory sensation has taken place. Students, I'll be explaining you the same in the very next video along with the help of a diagram. A very important question as far as your exams are concerned. So please again listen to the video properly and write your notes. See you very soon. Hello students, what do I say? How's the Josh? I hope it's really very high as far as learning is concerned. This is the connecting video to the previous one where we studied about the auditory sensation. In this video, I'll be discussing the same with you, the functioning of the ear through the diagram. If this is clear to all of you, then it will be very easy for you to write the notes because it will be very important for your exams. This can also be a 5-mark question. So please understand it really well. Let us start. Here you can see the functioning of the ear, and if the functioning of the ear takes place correctly, only then the auditory sensation will be appropriate. How does auditory sensation take place? From the external environment, This sound comes in the outer ear. This is the earlobe and this is the auditory canal. So, from the external environment, the sound travels in the auditory canal and it reaches the eardrum. As soon as the sound reaches the eardrum, it starts vibrating. Because of this vibration, the three bones which are present in the inner ear, they also start vibrating. The name of the bones are hammer, anvil and stirrup. As soon as these three bones start vibrating, their vibration causes the movement in cochlea. This cochlea is present in the inner ear. This is the outer ear, this is the middle ear and this is the inner ear. So, this vibration causes the fluid which is present in the cochlea, that also starts vibrating. And because of this, what happens? The auditory nerve, there you can see that hair-like structure is also present over here. The auditory nerve takes the message to the brain. As soon as the brain receives the message from the auditory nerve, the brain tells us what we are listening to, what that sound is all about. And once that understanding takes place in us that we are listening to a very particular sound, at that time we can say that auditory sensation has taken place. Students, this is a rough diagram of the ear. In your textbook, a little bit complicated diagram is there, but those who are good at drawing, they can make that diagram, or else this is a very, very simple one. You have to label the diagram appropriately. So how will you write your answer for auditory sensation? First, you have to write the definition of sensation. Then you have to write auditory sensation. Draw this diagram, label it appropriately, and then write the explanation. Yes, students, and you'll get wonderful marks. Start studying. Thank you.